Yeah, we lost all of it. Like we lost 90% of revenue in one day. I think that was March 16th. It's funny enough, it was actually a harvest day. So that was what was really funny about it. Everything was already harvested. And we started getting, a phone call and then an email. And we lost like 12 within about an hour, and then they stopped. We're like, And then I think it was 3 p.m. We went from 120 restaurants down to 3 in a day, like just gone. And that was because remember, Alberta obviously just shut down completely, right? So it was 100 to 0 overnight. Now, luckily, we had a lot of retail customers and grocery stores, but it was just a matter of just pivoting. We still had food, we had to get out, and we were very straightforward about, guys, we have no restaurants, we have no revenue. Can you help us? And we just put it out to our community, and they rallied. And we repackaged, 300 pounds of microgreens overnight into small containers, got it out the door. We met like probably 200 new families. Like, I'll try it, I'll buy it, I'll buy it, I'll buy it. We did a 3 for $10 deal. We even dropped our price. I didn't even charge our normal price. So we just wanted to get out the door. But we met so many people that way. And then from there, just cultivated, well, we have no restaurants, so what do we do? And that's where it goes back to micros to mouths. How do you get it to people? So there's a lot of contests, a lot of giveaways, and we rebuilt it really, because I think we were closed up here, 3-4 months fully, right? I think that was from March basically to May-ish. We had 0 restaurant. Well, not 0. I think we had 3. No, I can't remember. Anyway, yeah. And then even then it was like takeout, right? So we had very little revenue on our primary revenue stream for almost 6 months, but we had to rebuild it. But what the key for us was this turnaround. Every 10 days we had new crops, right? So when we lost everything, we didn't have 2 months worth of product on the shelf. We had one more round, and then we just pivoted to growing more that was, more direct towards the retail versus the commercial sector. So it was fun. We learned a lot, and yeah, we had our best year ever. Like we ran our numbers. End of January is our financial year, and it was our best revenue year ever. So it worked. It was unique for sure, to say the least. But and we met a lot of people. Like we met a lot of people through consulting too, and just like helping, because a lot of people went through this. And I saw a lot of farmers say, well, we only have farmers markets, or we only have restaurants, and they're gone, so we're gone. And that's what I think we were able to push through from the get-go. It's like an investment portfolio. You diversify. You never want everything in one area. And that's where that really saved us, because we did, well, it's almost impossible to retail market that fast. It took us 2 years before to do that. And then we were able to hedge off that when we lost everything else.